So what you can also do in Notion is maintain a to-do list if you want to. So to actually do that, over here, I'm going to go around and press less on my keyboard and type in 2. So once you do that, you can see that to-do list actually appears. So as I click on this, you can see that this is the to-do list. So I'm just going to go around and say create a draft, write a report, design a presentation. Let's say, for example, I can go ahead and type in these kind of to-do lists. So I can go ahead and check this out, and you can see that I can track the works that I have done just like this. So what you can also do is, let's say, for example, if you just want this as a simple list, you can simply select it, go to to-do list, and then as you select it, you can see that you can go ahead and change it into a bulleted list if you want as well. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then add in a to-do list and then track out your tasks as well inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.